Dr. Zoe Hartley here. You've been told to drink more water. 8 glasses a day, stay hydrated. But if you're over 50 and still drinking plain water, you're missing out on one of the simplest ways to boost blood flow, skyrocket your energy, and rejuvenate your body naturally. Today, I'll reveal what to add to your water to unlock the power of nitric oxide, the molecule of life itself. Why plain water isn't enough. Water is vital, but after 50, it's not enough. Your body's nitric oxide production, which keeps your blood vessels flexible and healthy, drops by nearly 50%. Plain water hydrates, yes, but it doesn't provide the raw materials your body needs to make nitric oxide. Think of your body as a factory. Water powers it, but without the right ingredients, production stops. Beetroot, the nitrate powerhouse. The first ingredient to enhance your water is beetroot powder. Beets are rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body. 1 to 2 teaspoons daily can significantly improve circulation, energy, and endurance. Within hours, you'll feel the difference: better blood flow, clearer thinking, and improved stamina. It's nature's performance booster for men and women over 50. Pomegranate, the nitric oxide protector. Next up, pomegranate extract or powder. Its polyphenol, punicalagins, and ellagic acid protect your nitric oxide from breaking down. You're not just making more nitric oxide, you're preserving it longer. Studies show pomegranate improves vascular health and blood pressure. It's a longevity fruit for your arteries. Citrulline, the amino acid accelerator. Watermelon extract or citrulline powder fuels nitric oxide production through another pathway. Your body converts citrulline into arginine, the key amino acid for nitric oxide synthesis. It bypasses digestion, acts fast, and supports circulation, especially for men's vitality. Combining citrulline with beetroot gives you dual nitric oxide pathways, a real 1-2 punch for better blood flow. Pine bark extract, the endothelial healer. Pine bark extract, or pycnogenol, rejuvenates the cells that line your blood vessels. It enhances the enzyme nitric oxide synthase, which boosts your body's own nitric oxide production. Research shows it improves circulation and heart health, especially when paired with citrulline or arginine. It's like a tune-up for your vascular system. Leafy greens, nature's nitric factory. Spinach, kale, and greens powder are nitrate gold mines. They work synergistically with beetroot to multiply nitric oxide production. 1 teaspoon of greens powder equals several large salads worth of nutrients. Populations with high veggie nitrate intake have better heart health, lower blood pressure, and stronger vessels. That's real anti-aging from the inside out. Ginger and hibiscus, the circulation duo. Ginger fights inflammation, the hidden killer of blood vessel health, while hibiscus supports vasodilation. Together, they reduce blood pressure, protect vessels, and taste amazing. Add 1/4 teaspoon of each to your water for a tangy, heart-friendly drink that helps nitric oxide thrive and inflammation fade. Cocoa and tart cherry, the recovery boost. Cocoa flavonols improve vessel flexibility and nitric oxide responsiveness, even supporting intimate performance. Tart cherry reduces oxidative stress, enhances recovery, and improves sleep. Together, they strengthen your body's natural rhythm. Active days, restorative nights, youthful energy. Consistency and quality matter. Choose high-quality, organic powders with verified purity. Mix your preferred ingredients into water twice daily for steady nitric oxide support. Within a few weeks, you'll notice better energy, improved circulation, and stronger performance, all from a glass of enhanced water. Plain water hydrates, but enhanced water revitalizes. Beetroot, pomegranate, citrulline, pine bark, greens, ginger, hibiscus, cocoa, and tart cherry together, they create the ultimate vitality blend. Make this part of your daily routine, and your future self will thank you. If you found this video valuable, please hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Dr. Zoe Hartley for more science-based longevity strategies. Stay strong, stay young, and stay inspired.